pounding on the door, terrified, scared. Again, the jury did not believe her at the end of the day, but rather believed that she intentionally shot through the door and it was not excusable. It was not justified. How does it feel when you're representing someone standing there? She's facing up to 30 years.
Yeah.
That is a lot of life, arguably the rest of her life.
Yeah.
How does that feel waiting on that verdict?
This is the most jarring moment. I mean, even when I was a public defender and I'd have, 10 clients a day, right? And when we would try 3-4 cases a week, even as something as small as a misdemeanor, right? Even on bench trials, you would it was nerve-wracking. That's a difficult place to be for any defense attorney and any defendant. Any defendant that ever sat next to me was trembling when the jury came. And then they were trembling. This is the most anxious moments. And honestly, Judge Ashton, when I see these videos, I feel like I know I'm looking ahead, but I don't think this woman's going to get sentenced to the max. I mean, this case was so close. It was so down the middle that I feel like she had a convincing case to be afraid. I think she went over the line, shooting a gun through the door. But at the end of the day, the jury, they were there, they saw it, and they did their homework. They didn't come back in 10 minutes. They did their homework. I liked it. I trust their wisdom on this case.
Yeah, and I agree with you. They did their homework. I just have to mention that without the firearm, she would have had second-degree manslaughter facing 15 years. That firearm makes it a first-degree felony and faces 30 years. So maybe she gets closer to 15 years. We don't know.